You will start in 3, 2, 1, dive.
Qualification 37, and error code moves to put one coral up on L4, and they do it successfully. Over on the red side of the field, there are a couple coral that have been scored onto L2 and L1. One of them is touching algae, though, as we come into the teleoperated period. Coral quickly thrown into the error code machine. They go up, but they're already aligned to a piece of the reef that already had a piece of coral, so they quickly move to the side and score it. Their alliance partners on the other side, that's C cubed. They grab a coral from that loader station and they move quickly over to the reef, but they don't quite manage to make it stick. On the red alliance, AO5NX trying to get that piece of algae out of the reef so their alliance partners can go and score coral, and they do it successfully as it bounces to the ground and rolls over to the middle of the field. Fred trying to line up to put up a piece of coral on the third level, and they do it successfully. An impact over on the red side of the field as 9438 parks in front of one of the loader stations. Cyborg Seagulls, though, very quick to maneuver over to the other side of the field, and they score that piece of coral on L2. On the blue side, scoring continues up high, but one of them is missed by error code 0, and it falls down to level 1. Their alliance partners, though, C cubed, do manage to keep a score in the right spot, and they get another one into their robot. Error code 0 scoring one algae into the processor, and the human player on the red side throws it, and it does stay in the barge. With 30 seconds left in this match, we are almost in the end game period. Cyborg Seagulls trying to line up with their piece of coral. Let's see if they can get it. They're just a little misaligned. It moves back in the robot, but they do manage to score it. And we are in the end game. 14:25, their climber is out. Fred lining up with that cage inside of their robot, and it begins to lift. And they are up off the ground. Error code 0 does the same, and they are also up off the ground. I don't think anyone else is going to climb at the end of the match. 79-68. Separation by 11 points. 5 ranking points to that red alliance as opposed to the blues 2 ranking points.